heat number 181 entering the ring. Cordell Ferguson, number 4 in the Hot Wheel car, is entering the ring. Alex Vortek, number 13, entering the ring here, Carp. $12.21, the old Rambo entering the ring here tonight. All right, so this is how it works here. When he points to the car, if you like the car, you're gonna make all the noise you can for that car. And we're gonna go down the line and see who's the loudest. And if we can't figure it out, we're gonna do a double on some of the cars, okay? I think you guys got this. Just for starters, let me hear you one big loud cheer. Just one huge one. I want you guys to get into your system here. All right, I think you got the idea. All right, starting with number 13. Make some noise, Carp. Number 4, Hot Wheels. Make some noise. 613, Short Bus Special. Make some noise. 181, make some noise, guys. 1221, make some noise. Oh, I don't know. All right, we're gonna check these last 3 again. 613, Short Bus. 04, Hot Wheels. 13. 613, School Bus. 13. 613, Joiner, guys. Make some noise. Well done, well done. All right, next up we're gonna have our mid-heat number 1. There's gonna be 2 different heats in this. So we got mid-heat number 1, and then we've got full heat 1. We have mid-heat 2, full heat 2, mini feature. We got a lot going on here tonight for you. So make some noise for these guys for best paint. And we'll call in the mids next up.